and welcome back. So this video was a requested video for a long time, and I overheard my coworker Kelly in the other room explaining this to a patient, and I was like, why haven't I made this video yet? It like occurred to me like this is an ongoing question that everyone asks in the comments, and I've never made a video yet, so I'm doing it now. It's sometimes and oftentimes a true struggle to reach your far back teeth, your molars, the farthest teeth in the back, when you're trying to brush, floss, whatever you're doing. I understand it's far back there, but there's a trick to get back there and clean them up. So instead of opening super wide to try and get back there, like, you open ever so slightly. So it's like, go against everything you would think. Instead of opening really wide to get your far back teeth, open just a little. This actually allows your cheek to be more flexible, like elastic, so you can pull the cheek and you can reach. Okay, so I'm gonna open super wide and try and get back there with my toothbrush. See, my cheek is getting in the way. My cheek is actually getting in the way. But if you open just a little, you can pull your cheek. Watch how my cheek is gonna pull. Hey? And now I'm getting back there. You just pull it, and then you get all the way back there. Makes sense, right? You see what I'm doing? So now, demonstrated with floss, same thing. If you open super wide, but if you open just a little, I could pull my cheek. Hold your cheek. Nothing's on there, that's good. I hope this tip helped you. It's just like a super easy thing that you can do to get to those hard to reach areas. I'll see you next Teeth Talk Tuesday. Until then, peace, love, and teeth.